Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to fix a fraud denial in Chase Inc. Business Cash. So let's start with the first step, which is to check your application status. So you have to sign in at chase.com and open your Inc. Business Cash application status page. Now, a red banner reads application status declined with the note that it was flagged for suspected fraud. So this is usually an identity block, not a credit decision. Next is read the exact decline reason. So open the reason for decision. Fraud denials list identity verification mismatch or fraud alert on your credit file plus a reference number. So you have to write that number down. The reconsideration line is this here. So you will ask for it first. Next is clear the fraud alert in your credit file. So most fraud denials come from an active fraud alert or credit freeze. So you have to log into Experian or Equifax and TransUnion and then open the fraud center, verify your identity, and remove the temporary the alert before you reapply. Next is upload your business verification documents. So when Chase requests proof, use the secure upload link. So you have to send your IRS EIN letter, which is the CP575, articles of incorporation, and a government issued ID. Now a clear PDF or color photos under 10 MB with the legal business name matching the IRS records exactly. And then you have to submit it. Lastly is application approved. So reconsideration decisions usually land in 7 to 10 business days. On approval, and you will see a green "Your application has been approved" banner with your Inc. Business Cash credit limit. And the card arrives in 7 to 10 business days. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!